Nuts and seeds contain mono and polyunsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids that reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and other illnesses. A 30-year diet study detailed that people who ate nuts were less likely to die of heart disease, cancer, and respiratory diseases, and the more nuts in your diet, the lower your risk. It's true that nuts and seeds are high in calories and fat. But when eaten in moderate amounts, they provide a big health boost. 1. Almonds. Almonds are packed with fiber, protein, vitamin E, manganese and magnesium, making them a go-to nut for all-around health benefits. They are hard workers and come in a variety of forms from nut butters to milks to flours. While almonds are good for general cardiovascular health, they also contain an amino acid called arginine that may help with erectile dysfunction by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. 2. Cashews. If you're iron deficient, cashews are your number one nut with 1.9 grams of iron per ounce. Like the pistachio, cashews offer 163 calories and 13 grams of fat per ounce. Cashews have a smooth, creamy texture. They're great as a dairy replacement in forms like cashew milk or cashew cheese. They can also benefit bone and joint health by adding extra magnesium and copper to your diet. 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a smart pick that deliver 6,388 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids per ounce. In addition to being great for cardiovascular health, they also provide fiber, which improves digestive health and relieves constipation. Like with any fiber, eat flaxseed with plenty of water or other fluids. 4. Pecans. This nut is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, 278 grams, and flavonoids, which are great for heart health. Pecans provide a big boost of manganese, which helps regulate blood sugar, builds healthy bones and assists in forming collagen to keep skin firm and elastic. 5. Walnuts. This powerful and popular nut is a winner when it comes to providing omega-3 fatty acids with 2,565 milligrams per 1 ounce serving. According to studies, eating walnuts can lower total cholesterol levels and bad LDL cholesterol while boosting good HDL cholesterol. They may also help improve blood pressure and circulatory blood flow. 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds contain soluble fiber and can absorb a lot of water. Eating chia seeds with water can cause you to feel all the more full and slow the absorption of food, so you don't get hungry as quickly. Chia seeds take second place for heart health with 4,915 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids per ounce. 7. Pistachios. Pistachios are high in B6 vitamins and are the only nut that contains a substantial amount of carotenoids that benefit eye health. These unusual green nuts are lower in fat at 13 grams per ounce and only have 160 calories per ounce. Pistachios are delicious and also incredible topping for salads or yogurt. 8. Pumpkin seeds. Some studies reported that eating pumpkin seeds may benefit people with type 2 diabetes by helping regulate insulin. These low-carb seeds, also known as pepitas, provide health benefits year-round and are known for helping lower your LDL cholesterol. The toasted pumpkin seeds are also easy addition for salads, tacos, stir-fried veggies and desserts. 9. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are known for being high in selenium, which may help decrease chronic disease risk. They're also a good source of copper, which reduces inflammation and can help relieve arthritis pain. These tasty little seeds are usually seen on hamburger buns and bagels, but it's simple to add them to a variety of dishes. 10. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds have high concentrations of phytosterols, which can lower cholesterol and boost cardiovascular health. They also contain vitamin E, which supports prenatal health and nourishes your skin. Sunflower seeds are packed with good fats and fiber. Nuts and seeds are healthy snack options, as they contain a wide range of essential nutrients. We hope you've found this video useful. If you liked this video, please hit that like button and comment below. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to catch all the latest videos and updates.